He is going to town. Look at him go. Alright, we're out here at Picnic Grove in Tagaytay. Babe? Don't be sorry.
Watch it. Watch your step.
We're going to show you what goes on over here, what couples do for a picnic. There's already a lot of stores out here. Hope y'all like it. Picnic Grove is pretty huge. It's got a lot of amazing views all around the park. Alright babe, what do you think about it so far? What do you think about the Picnic Grove?
We need food.
There are a lot of stairs. They've got plenty of cabanas for people to come here with picnics. What we have here is a natural beast in his habitat. He is a wild one. Be careful around this one. At Picnic Grove, they also had horseback rides, zip lining, and also a petting zoo with a bunch of crazy animals some of y'all probably never seen before. The trail felt like it was going on forever, but the view was amazing. You could see Taal Volcano from pretty much everywhere you went. Alright, so we're done here. The weather's great. Great views. You got a couple horses back there. Okay, but we are heading out. There was a lot of stairs, so it was a good workout. But it's an amazing place to come and have a picnic if you got a couple snacks to bring with you. There's a lot of stuff to do over here, so hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment what I should do next. Like it, share it, subscribe. Peace out, y'all.